Hello guys, so in this video I will just show you guys the Rigacar that actually works for Blender 4.1. Some of you has asked me for this, and that's why I am making this short and non-detailed video. Please, I did not create this plugin. It was created by David Gary. The name, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to fast forward to where the baking starts after setting things up. If you want to know the full details on how to rig a car in Blender, my previous video, which is on the description below, will help. Step by step on how to do it was well showcased. To show that the baking works also, I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, it is all done. The file to download this version of Rigacar is in the description below. Feel free to try it yourself. So I'm going to stop here for now. Yeah, till next time I come again, happy creating.